Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show another new feature in the Canva. This is also in a presentations called Draw in Presenter mode. Guessing time to time you also have this feeling if you do some presentations, if you like to grab the attention or just would like to do some like highlighting or drawing something in front of your audience and you don't want to do it just when you doing the presentation, we just would like to do when you presenting it. And this is a new feature when you can do it in the presenter mode also. Basically, the drawing is here, where you can choose the different kind of element like the pen, the marker, highlighter, and the eraser. You can change the color and also you can change the weight and the transparency. But with this tool, you can do the drawing just here in the presentation, and that will be already on the slides, not when you are presenting and you cannot highlight or just drawing something to grab more attention. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. We can use two different methods to get this feature. Actually, we can get this present. We can present the slides two different ways. The easiest way here with this double arrow, we can see this also with a Ctrl-Alt-P, present full screen. If I click on it, we can move between the slides with the arrows, and if I moving my mouse to the bottom, here there is a new feature, draw on page, and we will have these four tools, like the pen, the marker, and the highlighter, and we can also erase, and we can change the color. We cannot change the height and the transparency, I mean the weight and the transparency. This feature is not available at the moment for this drawing, but other than we can use like a highlighter. We would like to highlight something, or when talking about something, you just would like to show now, maybe grab more attention, or like here also, or we just would like to draw. I just go into the pen and also using a white and just drawing something like this. And when we closing the presentation, as you can see, all of these things are disappearing. So these things, what we are drawing in a presenting mode, that's only this phase when we are presenting. That's not part of the presentation and it's not saved in the slides. This is only for temporarily while we are presenting. And the other way how we can get this drawing mode, here we can have this present button, go into this presenter view, click on present, and here we have the slides here the bottom, and this is the field view what the audience see it. And plus we also have these notes where we can add our notes by slide by slide, which is pretty cool feature also to add these notes what we would like to talk about. Meanwhile, this part is not visible for the viewers. They see only the slides. And here also have the draw function. So you can choose again between the pen, the marker, highlighter, and the eraser. So now we're using this marker, so just marking something. We can also change the color if you want. And we can easily delete what we draw on the page, but actually it's not necessary. Just jumping to the next slide. And in this case, what we draw on the first page will be not saved on the presentation. So this is the two-way how we can get this presenting mode technically, and we can draw on the slides while we are presenting, which is a pretty cool feature if you are presenting a lot. For sure, you already have the situation where you said, okay, this one I really need, and from now this is possible also in the Canva. So that's a pretty cool feature what we can use from now, and personally I loved it due to I'm presenting a lot. So now this tutorial is going to end. If you like this tutorial, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section if I missed something, or if you would like to add some comments, or if you're just struggling editing in a Canva, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of other tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image generation prompts for different kind of applications. If you are also interested in this area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description. So now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.